How do I remove my bank card on Cash App? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove your bank card from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to remove your banking card from Cash App, which means you've added a card to Cash App and now maybe you want to remove them, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App, you're going to see this type of interface where you want to first of all tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, and then right over here you'll find a section where it says linked banks. So you want to just make sure to tap on linked banks. Now when you go to linked banks, you'll be able to see a list of all the cards as well as the bank accounts that you might have added. All you need to do is just tap the specific bank or the card over there and then make sure to tap the remove button, and your bank or card will be successfully removed from Cash App. That is it on how you can remove your bank card from Cash App. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.